Hello everybody, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel, and here I am starting a new MCQ series which will have current affairs MCQs as well as static MCQs as well as other MCQs also, especially for IAS examination point of view, and especially for the objective examination CSAT paper number 1. So here I will upload one by one all the MCQs, and it's my personal guarantee if you will follow 1 to 1.5 year MCQs from my channel only, including static, current affairs, and others also, then you can easily qualify your CSAT paper number 1. More than 80 questions you can easily make right. Okay, it's my personal guarantee. So now I am starting. So consider the following statements about the India e-visa system. So it is regular visa issued electronically. The eligibility criteria for obtaining the e-visa require the applicant to have at least 6 months passport validity at the time of applying. The Ministry of External Affairs is the nodal ministry that issues visas to foreigners. So, which of the above statements are correct? So, the correct option is option number B, 1 and 2 only. So, here is your explanation. If you want to read extra, so you can pause the video and you can read. And the next question is, consider the following statement about the Central Bureau of Investigation CBI. It is operating under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Home Affairs MHA, Government of India. It finds power to investigate from the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946. It is exempted from the provision of the Right to Information Act. So which of the above statements are correct? The correct option is B only, 2 and 3 only. Again, pause the video and read the explanation for extra knowledge, and these points are very important. These points will be helpful in the mains answer writing also. The next question is, consider the following statements. The fair and remunerative rice FRP in India has been fixed in line with the recommendation of the Commission of the Agriculture Cost and Prices. The FRP of sugarcane is determined under the Sugarcane Order 1966. The state advised prices are announced by the key sugarcane producing states, which are generally higher than FRP. So which of the above statements are correct? So option number 4th is correct, all of the above. The next question is, it is a tropical perennial grass that forms lateral shoots at the base to produce multiple stems around 3 to 4 meter high and about 5 centimeter in diameter. The stem grow in cane stalk, which when mature constitute around 75% of the entire plant. The plant is also uh, grown for biofuel productions, especially in Brazil. So, which of the above statements is that crop? So, option number 4th is your correct answer. The next question is, consider the following statement regarding Sujlam campaign. So, it is a initiative under the Niti Aayog. It aims to make more open defecation free ODF villages across the country. So, which of the above statements are correct? So, option number B is correct. The next question is, which of the following statements is are about Aranmula boat race? So, it is the oldest river boat festival in Kerala. Only men of the village are allowed to be in the boat. It is mainly organized during the Onam festival. So all of the statements are correct. So choose the incorrect statement. So the option number fourth is your right option. And the next question is, recently which of the following has launched the uh, global Be Interest Awesome program? So it is launched by Google. So option number C. The next question is, consider the following pairs: Siruvani Hills, Kerala; Vangei Range, Odisha; Saramati Peak, Nagaland. Which of the above statements are correctly matched? Option number fourth is correct. The next question is, which of the following uh, protected site are associated with crocodile? So National Chambal Sanctuary, Kateni Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary, Satkoshika George Wildlife Sanctuary. So choose the correct answer code. So option is fourth. All the options are correct. And here is the extra knowledge. If you want to read, you can read. The next question is, consider the following pairs: dam versus river. Sardar Sarovar Dam, Namda River; Bhaka Dam, Satluj River; Hirakund Dam, Mahanadi River; Jaya Kadawadi Dam, Ishna River. So choose the correct answer. So option number A is correct. 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay. So the next question is, consider the following statements: a union minister or a member of parliament enjoys certain importance, but most of them are available when parliament is in session. If parliament is not in session, police or other law enforcement agencies may arrest a union cabinet minister in a civil case. So which of the above statements are correct? So the option number A is correct, one and only. So pause the video, and if you want to read the explanation, you can read here for your extra knowledge. The next question is, consider following statements: that the expression creamy layer was introduced by the Dhibar Commission in 1973. The concept of creamy layer was introduced by the Supreme Court in 1993 through the judgments if it delivered in the Indira Sahani case. So which of the above statements are correctly matched? So option number B, 2 only. The next question is, the Bonn Agreement was in news recently. It is mentioned in the news in the context of the affair of. So option number C is correct, Afghanistan. So you can read here what is Bonn Agreement, etc. Pause the video and read, and you can enhance your knowledge. The next question is, recently which of the following state government has announced a wage employment scheme for urban poor? So option number B is correct, Tamil Nadu. Next question is, with reference to Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Manrega, consider the following act. It provides at least 100 days of guaranteed wage employment in every year to every household whose male member volunteer to be unskilled manual worker. The scheme is implemented by the Ministry of Labor and Employment. So which of the above statements are correct? The correct option is fourth one. The next question is, consider following statements: Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee (GEAC) is the apex body that allows for commercial release of GM crops. Use of the unapproved GM variant can attract a jail of around 5 years and fine of around rupees 10 lakh under the Environment Protection Act 1986. The Food Safety and Standard Authority of India (FSI) is the authority body to regulate the imported crops in India. So which of the above statements are correct? So option number C is correct, 1 and 3 only. And the next question is, with reference to GM mustard developed in India, consider the following statements. So GM mustard has the genes of a soil bacterium that gives the plant the property of a pest resistance to a wide variety of pests. GM mustard has the genes that allows the plant cross pollination and hybridizations. GM mustard has been developed jointly by the IARI and Punjab Agriculture University. So which of the above statements are correctly matched? So option number B is correct. So here is your explanation. Pause the video and read the explanations. The next question is Bhuvan Vedas and the Mosdaq, sometime mentioned in the news recently, are related to. Option number C is correct. Geospatial portals. So you can read here about each and every geoportal scheme. The next question is with reference to Chilka Lake, consider following statement. It is situated on the east coast of India. It is the largest wintering ground for migratory water flow found everywhere on the Indian subcontinent. It is the first Ramsar site in Asia to be removed from the Montreux record. Which of the above statements are correctly matched? So option number 4, 1, 2 and 3. The next question is with reference to the visible light communication, which of the following statements are correctly matched? VLC uses electromagnetic spectrum wavelength 375 to 780 nanometer. VLC is known as a long range optical wireless communication. VLC can send large amount of data faster than Bluetooth. VLC has no electromagnetic interference. So which of the above statements are correctly matched? Option number C, 1, 2 and 4 only. And so you can read the explanation about visible light communication. So thank you so much. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel and forward my videos as much as you can, and my YouTube channel also on your WhatsApp and among your students. And if you have any questions or any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will answer all of them.